For all 1-1/4 inch valve cover oil filler breather holes. OEM, 1-1/4 inch. Triple chrome plated cap. Designed to last. All Speed by Spectre products are designed to perform as good as they look using the highest quality materials and engineered for optimum fit and function. Top reviews from the United States. Snug fit. I installed this in the valve cover of my Chevy 5.7. The crate engine came with a loose-fitting rubber stopper. This oil filler plug is very attractive without being gaudy. It fits well in the valve cover and will not fall out. It is a good value and I am very satisfied with the product.